So hey guys, welcome back. So this is the video which you all are guys waiting for. So in this video we will talk about what is Git. Basically, I have already told you what is Git, but just get through it. So guys, basically Git is a version control software which is keep track of all your change in your repo or software. Basically what you do is you change in your code and push it to your repository. Here repository is what set of code, or you can say this is a kind of set where your codes are saved. And Git is so much easy to learn. It is much powerful to managing your software. Even lots of lots of companies were using the GitHub for their managing their versions of the software, and it has containing a lots of feature which you haven't imagined yet. And I just make sure that you haven't seen software like this. Here in Git what you can do a lots of stuff, like you can do a collaborative coding and with your guys. Suppose you are working on a project where you need collaboration for your coding, so you could also share your code with your guys and they could also code with you on the same project. Okay, so here what is Git actually? So I just made a presentation here to show you more clearly. So basically this is your code, and in between you and your left hand side is repository. So what you do is you just code your whatever you are coding and push it to your GitHub account. And what is GitHub? Just don't confuse it, because we will discuss in what is GitHub in the next further video. So what you do is just code your software and push it to your repository, and that repository keep track of all your coding which you are doing right now. In currently what you have doing, it will keep track of all your codes. Okay, you will get to know much clearly when you use it. So in the further video we will use it, don't worry. But here just understand what is repository is. Just it is just kind of object you can imagine which save your all your codes which you can also retrieve when you want to use it. So what is the main function of Git is that here you can see this is an app, and here I have presented here all the versions which I have made. Suppose this is my app and I created the version 1.01, 1.02, 1.03 and so on and 4. So what here I did is I just made a software which I started as an initial state. This is at 1.01 again, and after that it will upgraded to the 1.02. How did I do that? I pushed the repository. I just pushed the 1.01 code to my repository and then upgrade it to the 1.02 version. Understood? So this is what you do with the Git account. You just upgrade your current version to the next level of version. You could also do with the GitHub account. So one of the most important feature of this GitHub is I likely most like you can code anywhere on any computer. What you have to do is just pull back all your repository on the computer and install some of the extensions for it and use it. This is so much easy, isn't it? So this is the Git, guys. You will love this course. And why Git? The lots of people must have this question in your mind. Why Git? Because you will understand why we are using Git even further on the upcoming videos. I don't need to tell you, because Git is containing a lots of feature with lots of ease, and you don't need to do an extra work for managing your all of the codes and repository. You will just get through it and you will love this course. So again guys, if you haven't subscribed my course, you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. In upcoming days I'm gonna bring you this course one by one on every week, so that you could learn fast. If you like this video, so please hit the like button, and you haven't subscribed again, so please go and subscribe my channel. Thank you.